Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, will be an amazing video. We'll be installing LED bulbs on a vehicle, guys, and we'll demonstrate most Dodge, Jeep, Chryslers will use that kind of design, okay, the way they design their headlight system, the way everything fits. We'll show you how they work on a Dodge, Jeep or Chrysler vehicle. So, we're demonstrating on the Dodge Journey here. We'll be putting LED light bulbs and let us show you guys, okay, what it's going to look like, especially if you have a Dodge Caravan, Journey, Charger. I think the procedure is exactly the same. So, those are the regular bulbs now. Stay with us until the end and you'll see what they look like once we install them. Okay, those are the bulbs that we have here. We have for low beams and those are for high beams. 4 bulbs altogether. So, we're going to go ahead and remove, okay, you can see usually the little bulb here. Okay, this is high beam, this is low beam. So, we'll remove the high beam first. Okay, by twisting that thing, okay, and pulling it out like that. Perfect. Now we need to get a bulb from here. Okay, make sure that it's a 9005, the same bulb. Yep, 9005. And this connector you can install it both ways. So if your bulb doesn't work when you install it, you need to reconnect it. Okay, to turn it 180 degrees. So we're going to get the bulb in, push in. Okay, turn like that, install the wire. Now, we need to see, guys, okay, if we can find out, okay, which of those wires is positive, okay, which is negative, which, in our case, it's hard to do. So, if they don't work, you just need to twist the connector 180 degrees, unplug it, plug it again, and it will work. Same thing for the other side, guys. However, okay, this is a different bulb here. This is a 9006. Always check what bulbs you need for your Dodge vehicle. You can find the ones that we get, okay, in the description of the video below. They have different models, they have all kind of stuff. That Yam Scene is really good, nothing sponsored here. We'll have it, okay, on our video in the description of the video where we get our bulbs from. Okay, just push it in. So all we have to do is just find the sweet spot, turn it. Now, let's go ahead. Okay, we're not going to start the car, just the headlight. What I'll do, okay, I'm going to close the door now, the shop door. We'll turn the lights off. I'm going to turn the camera light off in a second. Let's see first if they work, because we might need to go ahead and turn them. Okay, the high beams doesn't work, so we need to reconnect it there. Okay, so remember here now, okay, we need to reconnect the wire. Okay, perfect. Now everything should be fine. Okay, let's check it out now. First, I'm going to turn my light off. Okay, and now see what it looks like. Okay, guys, this is LED. This is non-LED bulb. This is what they look like in the headlight. Crystal clear light. On this side, guys, yellowish light. So you can see, definitely, guys. Okay, quite a bit of difference. Okay, right there. That's just crazy. So that's what it looks like, guys. Thank you for watching. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.